When temperatures drop to life-threatening levels, survival hinges on one thing: the right clothing. Without it, frostbite and hypothermia can set in quickly. But with proper gear, you can beat the cold, stay mobile, and stay alive. In this video, we'll break down everything you need to survive extreme cold before it's too late. Welcome to the Prepper's Path, your go-to channel for survival strategies that can save your life. When facing brutal cold, your clothing is more than a fashion choice. It's your first line of defense. Today, we'll cover the layers, materials, and accessories you need to protect yourself from extreme conditions. Before we dive in, take a moment to like this video, subscribe to the Prepper's Path, and turn on notifications. It's the best way to stay prepared for whatever comes your way. Let's get started. Why proper clothing is critical. In extreme cold, your body loses heat faster than it can generate it. Hypothermia and frostbite are not just risks, they're life-threatening realities. Your clothing is your shield, keeping you warm, dry, and alive. The layering system. Surviving the cold starts with understanding the layering system. The base layer wicks moisture away from your skin to keep you dry. Materials like merino wool or synthetics, such as polyester, are ideal because they're breathable and trap heat, even when damp. Never wear cotton. It soaks up moisture and makes you colder. Insulation layer. This layer traps heat close to your body. Options like fleece, down feathers, or synthetic insulation are excellent. Down is lightweight and incredibly warm. But synthetic insulation remains effective even when wet. The outer layer is your barrier against wind, snow, and rain. Look for jackets and pants made from Gore-Tex or similar materials that are both waterproof and windproof. Ensure this layer is breathable to prevent overheating while staying active. Accessories for survival. Even with the right layers, you must protect your extremities, which are most vulnerable to frostbite. Gloves. Wear thin, moisture-wicking gloves underneath insulated, waterproof gloves for maximum warmth and dexterity. Hats. A wool or fleece hat is essential, as up to 30% of body heat escapes through your head. Add a balaclava or neck gaiter for added face protection. Boots. Insulated, waterproof boots with good traction are critical. Look for thermal ratings suitable for sub-zero temperatures, and ensure your boots are breathable to avoid sweat buildup. Choosing the right gear. Your survival gear must be durable, lightweight, and versatile. High-quality materials like Gore-Tex, Primaloft, or down insulation are worth the investment. Opt for multi-purpose items like jackets that are both waterproof and windproof. These choices ensure you're prepared for various scenarios without overloading your pack. Now that you're prepared for the cold, check out our previous video on how to catch fish with limited gear, an essential skill for survival. And don't miss our next video, where we'll reveal the best tools for building a prepper community. Remember, survival starts with preparation. Layer properly, choose the right materials, and protect yourself from head to toe. Stay warm, stay safe, and keep prepping. See you in the next video.